This pepper chicken is a delicious, aromatic, hot and spicy dish to serve with rice or chapati. This is great to enjoy during monsoon or winters. This pepper chicken recipe is very quick to make as it made with simple and basic ingredients. Hello viewers, myself Shiporna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, I'll marinate the chicken. So into the chicken pieces, add half teaspoon of cumin powder, add half teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon fennel seed powder, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients well with the chicken. I have taken 600 gram of chicken. Fennel will give nice aroma to the chicken. Marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Now, in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of white oil. When the oil is hot enough, add half teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and curry leaves. Make them sizzle well. Add 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Fry the onions for a minute or two. The aroma is fantastic. When the onions are pinkish little, add our whole spices. 2 bay leaves, 1 stick of cinnamon, 2 to 3 pods of cardamoms and 5 to 6 cloves. Fry the whole spices with the onion. It will give a nice aroma to our dish. When the whole spices release their aroma into the oil, add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute them well until the raw smell of ginger and garlic are gone. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped tomato. Cook the tomatoes little. So now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and just a pinch of salt. It will help the tomatoes to cook fast. Saute well. Now add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Salt to taste. And chopped green chilies as per your choice. Now mix them well. Always add green chilies as per your spice tolerance. I'll cook them entirely to make them soft. Now add previously marinated chicken into the pan. Mix the chicken with the masala well. The masala has nicely infused in the chicken. Cook the chicken for 10 minutes by covering the pan. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Give a stir. Now add the peppers. First red one, then green bell peppers, lastly yellow one. I want some texture, so I add the bell peppers later. You can add them before adding the chicken. Now add chopped red chilies. Very little. I add chilies and peppers so many times, so adjust the amount of chilies and peppers as per your spice tolerance. Mix them. This recipe can be used to make both portions of dry and gravy. Now add 1 cup of water. If you want some gravy, then you can add more water, but I love the dry one for this recipe. Cover the pan for 10 minutes on simmer. After 10 minutes, open the lid and look at the gravy. It's so colorful and the chickens are nicely tender. Now add freshly chopped coriander leaves and give a final stir. This recipe will give a moderately hot and spicy dish. The key to this delicious aromatic dish is the freshly ground pepper, which brings a mild hit to this dish. Pepper chicken is ready. Serve this pepper chicken with hot rice or with roti. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos more and more. Leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for your support and love. Bye.